All right, ladies and gentlemen, you are on the Tank Show. If you're new here, welcome. I'm truly glad everybody stopped by. Had some time to look around today. Um, First off, shout out the team, shout out Big Cav. Said a lot of work went into this one, and I can tell. Okay, I don't want to jump. I don't want to jump too far ahead of you guys right now. But whenever you guys get to a setup, please allow it a few ticks just so it can do what it has to do in the background. It's very important. Now let's get into this. The Volcano bill. Um, if I was able to say I could see a contender um, with Xenon, this would be it. I've been tinkering with it and playing around with it, and it's just so simplified to me, and I'm just feeling it, man. I mean, I like the aesthetics. I like everything about it. I'm not, I'm not trying to, wear it out with 8 minutes and stuff like that. Because really and truthfully, I like to stick to the basics. Make sure everything's on the up and up. Whenever I come to a setup, I gotta make sure everything's on the up and up. Got a lot of things pulling from Black Lightning and Scrubs. If you guys want the crew, you will have to get it. It's already in here. Just install it. But pretty much it's decent. It's decent. I'm just gonna show you, because I know you want the backgrounds. Y'all love the backgrounds, but I like the backgrounds too on this. Shout out to Big Cav. I didn't even hide the sub menus. I just tinkered with it a little bit. And you really don't need the bread for this one. I'm gonna be real with you. You really don't need the bread, man. There's a lot of stuff. I like how they set this up. See, with Xenon, it's so much. I can never just, it's so much to go through. It's kind of simplified here, and I like it. All right. Looking pretty decent. Sometimes I be showing y'all this stuff, and it's really something that you have to try. It's almost, it's not like the old days where you had orphaned dependencies and things like. This is not that time. We're on Omega. That should be able to tell you enough of what's going on. A lot of those things that was going on with 17, 18, 19, and 20. It's just, well, not really 20. It's not here right now. So, like I said, the first thing I want to do, I want to go into skin settings and just show you guys that you are able to fully customize this. But you always want to go down to extras and make sure you enable autocomplete is on. Okay, now once you guys get this, just don't forget to turn it on. Real simple. I pretty much say the same thing every time. Okay, now let's just go into system real quick. All right. And the first thing you really want to do is go here. You want to go to add-ons. And you want to make sure everything is updated. You don't want to see available. If you see available updates, you want to make sure everything is updated so you guys can have this running fluently. Okay, sometimes it might be the skin, sometimes it might be, it could be anything, but just make sure it's updated. Now with this, you're gonna want to go to install from repo and all repos. And once you're in all repos, as you can see at the top, you're in all repos. You just want to press up and go to video player input stream. And you want to make sure all of these are enabled. Simple and plain. It's just that simple. I mean, I use this. I don't know if you guys use this. If you guys don't use this and yours is running fine, cool. You don't have to do this part. But I would, recommend you do this. And once that's done, You just want to back out and go to your player. Now this actually, hold on. When you go to your player and go to videos and push to the right, it's going to already be on 100. He already had this on 100. Now, if you don't have, you know, like a NVIDIA Shield or own box or something like that, just, you know, 50 or 60 if you have a small end device. And people, you should know what your device is capable of. I mean, it's 2024, man, and I know a lot of you guys aren't new, but you need to read the box and see what your device is capable of. If it can't handle 100, I would put it on 50 just to be safe. 50, 60, somewhere along those lines. But this one actually came in at 100, so be aware of that. What else? I think that was it for that. And what else? Now, as far as me, I got this from Ezraman's Wizard, but Doomsday has it. Okay. But what you really want to do here is go to maintenance. And you want to go to your advanced settings. Okay. And you want to pick the appropriate device. Now, if you get it from here, you're going to have these options here. And they actually have it. They actually need to put that own box on here too. I guess in the later they'll have that. But as you can, I mean, this is pretty much, so I'm not going to be doing all this. Come on now. Y'all can see this for yourself. But don't forget to check the build menu. It might be something that I'm not showing you that you guys might, you know, be very fond of. But let me show you Ezraman's. Let's go to Ezraman's. And don't forget to check their menu. And let's go to tools. Now I already have settings written. Let me see what I got. Okay, see, I only got 278 for, and I wrote it with theirs. That makes, okay, now that makes some sense. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is write it with this. I'm gonna quick config, and it, see, 3 gigabytes or more. I'm going to use this one, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now let's go to the current settings, see what this wrote. Yeah, 966. Now this is, the 966 is what I like. So I would recommend, if you want the higher settings, do it off Ezraman's Wizard. Real simple. All right, nothing too major, because you know 2 is just not gonna do it for me. But let me tell you guys, I'm gonna keep this one around. A lot of them I don't keep around, but this one is most definitely sticking around with me. Okay, this can only get better. Like I said, if let me back out of here. If I had to say anything that could stand up to Xenon, this would be it. This can really, this is just try it out, y'all. Try it out and let me know how you guys like this, man. Let me know how you guys like this video. If you guys get a chance, like, share, and subscribe, but most of all, comment. Please don't forget to hit the notification bells, people. As always, I'm hoping you guys are having a blessed, peaceful, and a productive day. Love and peace for all. Never forget, it is good to be good. And it is bad to be bad. I'm going to see you guys on the next one, y'all. Peace.